Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to cover BlackBerry stock because Prem Watsa has bought additional shares in BlackBerry. This is his second time in the past 4 months buying additional shares, and this second lump sum is actually bigger than the first lump sum. I'm going to go over the position sizes, I'm going to go over the SEC form, I'm going to go over the significance of him buying shares with the additional insider who bought shares previously as well, recently too, and I'm going to go over the virtual conference and the Q4 earnings release date. So hopefully you like the video. If you do, consider dropping a like. It does help the channel, so thank you so much for that. And at the same time, quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional or an analyst or all that stuff, like professional kind of stuff. This is just my opinion. So please do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. And I do own shares in BlackBerry stock, so keep that in mind while you're watching this video. First things first, in terms of Baird's 2024 Vehicle Technology and Mobility Conference, virtual conference for BlackBerry, that will be held on Thursday, February 29th, 2024 at 1:05 p.m. Eastern Time. I will be live streaming that on YouTube, potentially on X at the same time. If not, I'll upload that right after to X as well. And in terms of Q4 earnings, I noticed that Yahoo Finance posted that the earnings date is potentially March 4th to March 8th of 2028. This is for the Q4 earnings. The only problem is usually it's towards the end of March, I've noticed in the past for Q4 earnings. So I went to BlackBerry's website. They usually have it posted here. They didn't have it updated yet. So in terms of planned earnings date, BlackBerry still has April 3rd of 2024 posted here for planned earnings date release. So it could either be end of March or April 3rd or beginning of March. At the same time, I'll keep you posted and I'll be live streaming that on YouTube and hopefully X at the same time. Again, if not, I'll post it right after. So consider subscribing so you'll be notified when I do live stream and so on and so forth. Thanks again for the awesome support. Appreciate it. Now, in terms of Prem Watsa used to be part of the board of directors for BlackBerry, and he owns Fairfax Financial Holdings. Now, Fairfax Financial Holdings, before this recent purchase, owned about, it was first the top institutional holder for BlackBerry stock, Fairfax Holdings, and it owned about 7.97% of the stock at almost 47 million shares. That was as of December 30th, 2023. And then as of February 15th, 2024, Prem Watsa, through Fairfax Holdings, made a notable addition to its investment portfolio by acquiring 425,571 shares of BlackBerry. This transaction increased the firm's holding in the company to a total of 47,150,271 shares, marking a trade impact of 0.08% at a trade price of $2.86 per share. The addition of these shares has adjusted the firm's position in BlackBerry to 9.17% of its portfolio, while its holding in BlackBerry now represents 8.1% of the company's outstanding shares. So it is a jump. Previously, they had 7.97% of the outstanding shares of BlackBerry stock. Now they have 8.1. Okay, here's the SE form. So it's right here. It shows that Prem Watsa, BlackBerry, February 15, 2024. It's 296,571 shares plus 129,000 shares right there. So if you add that up, that comes up to 425,571 shares. And the significance of this personally is the fact that in November, he bought additional shares as well. So November 13th of 2023, Prem Watsa through Fairfax Holdings bought 129 shares at a price of $3.52 per share. So the price was higher before, and he bought it cheaper the second time around, but he's bought a bigger lump sum in terms of position size. So before it was 129,000 shares. This time around, it's 425,571 shares. So not only is he no longer part of the board of directors, but he's increasing his position sizes. So to me, with this, and Philip Brace, who also bought about $100,000 worth of shares, who is part of the board, he's a board of directors for BlackBerry stock. Him buying shares plus Prem Watsa buying additional shares, and the size has increased, shows that the company could be potentially moving in the right direction. I believe it is, but again, I do own shares in the company, so I could be hypothetically biased, obviously. So Prem Watsa buying additional shares and increasing his position sizes after the fact that he is no longer part of the board of directors is awesome, because he could either, if he didn't believe in the company, either sell or just hold his position size. But that is not the case. He's actually increasing his position size, and at these price points, give or take. So $2.86 as of recent, and then as of November 13th, it was about $3.52. Let me just double check just in case. So November 13th, $3.52 per share. But yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.